when you want to leave, but you got to let things dry. This is the adventure that you go through. It's called a journey, not an adventure. You got to let things dry out. I'm going to show you the best present I ever bought myself for camping. And you got tarps? Does it get wet where you go? I'm going to show you what I do. And it all starts with when you got a canopy and you want to dry it off after a rain. You want to go get you an old sock, wipe off your bars like that all the way around, because they're wet and they're dripping, right? I'm going to show you another thing. Watch this. Okay, I'm not promoting a certain company, but this is the best present I ever bought myself, especially for rain, leaves, pine needles, dirt, dust, rain, just the element, period. Watch this. This is how you dry things off. Leaf blower, like the greatest invention ever I bought myself. And then you wait like 10, 15 minutes, whole thing's dry. Let the sun do its work, because it rained all night, all day. I even take it over the camper. That gets all the weight off. It's amazing how much water can weigh you down, too. I even go over the windows if they're frosted over. There. The rugs. Clean everything off so I can fold it up. I go about over everything. Except for the Jeep. I like the Jeep though. That's how I dry things off, and then 15 minutes later, everything's dry. Hope this helps you. Tex Adventures. I would love to see you subscribe and like my videos. It's what keeps me going. And I like to produce things that might help you. Thank you.